Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures RC. Today we are going to talk about a very simple topic, is screws, but it can be very complicated if you need to buy them online because you have different numbers, different sizes, and it could be confusing. Sometimes it happens that you buy online and when you receive it is the wrong screw. So I will teach you how to choose the right screw. First, I will show you this motor is a 2848 and it has a hex screw and it comes in 2.81, but this screw, even is 2.81, we call it M3. M3 is for most of the motors we use, the middle-size motors. But when you want to adjust the M3, you don't use the Allen 3, you will use the Allen 2.5, and here is the confusion. Because you use the 2.5, you think, this is 2.5. No, this is the M3 goes with the 2.5 Allen, and that's the reason of so many confusion. This is the way you adjust and loose. Usually they come in these bags. You can buy 20 or 50. It's better to buy as much as you want, and as you can see, sometimes they write 3 in the bag, and that's it. Then you have the big one. This is a very old 540, is the same for 550, and you use also the 2.5. So you think, oh, this is a 2.5. No, it's also, in this case, also 287. This is again the M3. So for average motors, you always use the screw M3. How about the smaller motors, like this tiny 380? This one, if you measure, we will do it again. We go to 0. There you go, 0. And you measure, this tells you is 236. So you think, what's the number? This screw is the M2.5. So for 380 is the M2.5. But you are going to use what Allen? The Allen number 2. That is the Allen you use to screw this little guy. So this is the M2.5, we use the Allen 2. For the M3, we use the Allen 2.5. And this is the confusion. 2.5, 2, but this is 3 and 2.5. They also come, as you can see here, they put 2.5, also a little bag full of screws. They come also different materials, but this is the size. How about our connections? Sometimes you have the connection, but you don't have screws anymore, you need to buy. I use this one, the big head, because it's easier to put in the model, because the models have different access, difficult accesses. So this is also the M3. These little connections use M3, so I use my 2.5 and it goes perfectly well. They use M3. How about our couplings? And this is a basic coupling, not made of aluminum, not very good. And also, if you measure the screw, is the same, M3. Of course, you will not use this one because the vibration will kill your motor. You use the flat head screw. And for this you will use the flat head or no head screw, but the size of the screw is M3. So I wish this is helpful for you and you can understand better how to order screws online. So to make a review, M3 for the 540, 28 also for the 3650, they use the M3. M2.5, smaller brushless like the 2030 and the little tiny old 380. For clevis and couplings is the M3 also, but for the couplings you will not use this, please, you will use the flat head, but it's still M3. So I really wish I could be helpful for you so you can enjoy your hobby better, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.